Good morning, guys. Found this nice little piece of boondocking late last night, but I rolled in when it was dark. I'll just pan over and show you what's off to my right here. Little canal river, which was really nice to wake up to this morning. I didn't film anything yesterday. It was just raining and nasty and miserable, and everything I was doing was getting soaked and bringing water and sand in. So I took the entire day off of filming for YouTube, which was nice, you know. And then I rolled in last night thinking about how nice this view might be. And sure enough, I woke up this morning, brought my coffee outside, looked out there, and even though it was raining, I was like, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's nice. That'll change your mood the next day. So now I'm totally recharged in a better mood and gonna get on the road. And I realize it's gonna rain every time I come through the state of Oregon. I get rained on. I never get a clearing. So if I have to walk around with an umbrella and film stuff on this trip, that's what I'm gonna do, because the weather forecast is telling me a week straight of nonstop rain. So nothing I can do about that. I cannot control the weather. So enjoy the ride. You guys get to stay nice and dry, and let's have some fun. Geez, it's too windy to even hold the umbrella and the camera out here. Sorry guys, I'm trying. It's taken everything I got here. Oh my gosh. Jackson, man. Yeah, it's pretty wet and nasty out there, dude. I'm sorry. We'll find a dry spot for the kitty, okay? Okay. It's kind of stopped raining. This is Hug Point State Scenic Viewpoint. Let's go check it out real quick. Not bad, right? Not bad. Okay, well this is Rockaway Beach. I'm gonna sniff around here for a little bit. Okay, well I had some lunch, made some peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Yummy. And now, before I get on the road, I want to pull up my Allstays app and try to find some propane. I'm down to a quarter tank. And you never know how often you're going to find them, so I'm just going to try to find one in the future here. Perfect. See, that was so easy. I found Tillamook Farmers Co-op in Tillamook, which is 13 miles away from here, and it says that they have propane. I called them up to make sure that they have propane capabilities to fill up an RV tank and not just propane tank swaps. I always call, you know, it's a great resource on the phone, but I always like to call and make sure. So we'll go get some propane in Tillamook and then see where we're going to boondock for tonight, because it's starting to get even windier and chillier, and it's going to rain all night. So. Alright, let's go to Tillamook. Tillamook. I wonder if that has anything to do with Tillamook Cheese. I literally have no idea right now. I'm probably going to have to do some research and find out. Well, I guess I kind of had my big question answered. Is Tillamook, Oregon, the home of Tillamook Cheese? And as you can see when I pulled in here, clearly, yes, home of Tillamook Cheese.
Ready, honey?
We held in there for a little while. Hey, we made it look good for the second quarter. You know what the yeah. I'm about cheesed out. That was fun. Cool. Well, got a new magnet for my magnet board. Tillamook Cheese, a little mouse on it. So we'll add that to my collection. Right there. I wish I'd started collecting magnets earlier. They're kind of cool. Meow. What? Jax would have wanted to go in there? Really? You would have enjoyed that, huh? I'm sorry, buddy. I don't think they would have let you. Alright guys, have a terrific day and night. I will see you in a couple days. I didn't get to the propane place because I spent too much time here. This wasn't on my list. But this is kind of cool when you run into this kind of cool stuff. So I'll get propane tomorrow since they've already closed. And then we'll get propane tomorrow, film a little bit tomorrow and the next day. And I'll see you guys in a couple days. Ooh, just started pouring again. Oh boy. Hey guys, Jax here, along with his human servant Eric. Thanks for watching our RV channel. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to watch all of our other videos. We got some great material out there. Subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest updates here on the road. Can you say hi? Talk to you guys later.